This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and showing you the Mobile Edge Bring It On ScanFast Backpack 2.0. This can fit up to a 17.3 inch laptop screen, and as you can see, it's made with Sonora DuPont textiles right here, and this is ScanFast. It's got the sticker right there. So we'll go ahead and go inside this top pocket first. So something long you can fit in here. Similar pocket right here on this side. And it goes down to about here, so this does stop the bottom of the pocket right there. And then the medium pocket right here. I'll show you inside. Multiple small pockets. Some of them are labeled. You can see inside a little easier. Spot for pens, business cards. Here's your key catch right here. And then there's another pocket right here. Goes all the way inside, all the way down to the bottom. So that's a nice large pocket. Okay. I'm going further inside. This is right above that main large mid-sized pocket. And this goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So that's a nice deep pocket as well. You have some accent pieces here. Looks like you have a headphone cord spot where you can run your headphone cords out if you still use wired headphone cords. Okay. Inside here, looks like you have a change catch right there. And then this is kind of a flap to keep long items in right there. It's another super deep sort of mesh pocket right there. Then you can feel this part is padded. So we're getting closer to the laptop section. Okay. So now this is the topmost, and this is why they call it the ScanFast, because it can completely unzip. So it's almost like two backpacks in one because of the full unzip. You have another pocket here, and this one goes all the way down to the bottom. And this one feels like it's padded right there. So there is padding inside on this one. And then this one shows you what it's for. Right here. Just slip it right in. So when you scan it at the airport or wherever, it scans quickly. And then this attaches right here. You can do it at multiple heights. So we really like this backpack because of the quick unfold, and you can just put it on the belt. So right here, you have an attachment. This is padded on each side over your arms. It's also vented, so it won't get too hot while you're wearing it. And it looks like it's easily adjustable with these pull tabs right here. We like that. A lot of these backpacks are missing all of these extra features like padding and this back part here. So this bumps off the back, giving you more airflow and less heat while you're carrying a lot of equipment. And a lot of manufacturers forget the bumpers at the bottom. When you set this down on concrete, you have the edge of your laptop, usually it's sitting right here, and that will hit and break. But these will stop all of that from happening. So we like that touch as well. And then if you like a strap across, you can put that across and adjust as needed. And the zippers, we'll get close with the zippers. Oh, there's a side pocket right here. You can see the zipper is made really well. That's a mesh pocket. Also, the zip closed is quite big. So it makes it easier to pull. And they give you pull tabs really on everything. And that's Mobile Edge. So this is the Mobile Edge ScanFast Backpack 2.0. And you saw that we opened up the complete backpack, and it scans quite quickly when you go through security. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.